So here's a tip for you. A lot of kayaks, especially cheaper ones, they like to use rivets for various things. So the way to get a rivet out is to drill out the center of it. You want to use the smallest drill bit that you can, because if you use one that's too big, you're just making a bigger hole in the kayak. So
yeah, no kidding. So when you ever at your house, invite a woman over and say, listen, take your clothes off, no hanky panky, we're gonna stroke.
Amazon sent me this stuff. It's made by Better Boat.
Why would he pull you aside and say,
some of the reviews on it wasn't all that great, but personally, I think this stuff is awesome.
Yeah.
I'm pretty generous with this stuff. So one of the things I talked about, or didn't talk about in part one, is the bottom of the kayak. So because it's going to Keira, and it's going to get some keel guarding, but we're going to do cheap DIY keel guards on this, which means on this front, from the tip there down to where I call it the gunnel, I don't know what it's actually called, where that starts, and then back here on both of these we're going to put Gorilla Tape. A few thick layers of Gorilla Tape makes an excellent keel guard. It's super cheap, it's super easy to redo. All right, so that's part two. We got it stripped down and hosed off. In part three, we're gonna move on to plastic welding, sanding, possibly paint. Paint might go into part four. I kind of like to do, yeah, paint's gonna be part four. I'd like to give that its own video, because I'll show you guys the whole process of that. And if I put it all into part two, I'm gonna end up rushing it. I don't wanna do that. So don't forget to click subscribe. Don't forget to drop a comment down below if you have something to say. And we'll see you for part three or the next video, whichever comes first. Cue that outro. Peace. Well, we hoped you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more great videos from the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that little bell so you get notified when new content is available. Please leave us a comment down below and let us know what you thought. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.